Hedera is worth close to 5 cents right now. Hedera in real life has a medium-term challenge at 7 cents, and Hbar has dropped 1.6% in the past week. The 22nd of May 2023, Hedera in real life's current trading volume is $10,526,594, which is a very large amount. In this video, we'll show you how to take the Hedera cost exam for now or within the next week. We'll try to answer these questions in a way that makes sense and clears up some pressing problems. What is the short-term price outlook for Hedera in general, as HBA are a smart investment? They thought so, but before getting too deep into the Hbar technical analysis, we should talk about the current economy, which is a very important market analysis over the last 24 hours. Pretty clear how Hedera is trading close to 5 cents right now. In spite of what most people think, Hedera usually has a medium-term competitor at 7 cents lovely. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42 extremely, as opposed to mainstream thinking various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.12 coming to 1813.92 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 308.52 following a value change of 0.48 within a similar time period, which most certainly is genuinely huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere around 1.1. and presently exchanging at 46 cents or so they explicitly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions truly show that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending heading for sort of momentary in an unpretentious manner as of now, and in every practical sense all over the crypto market, there is a general drop, which shows that the market is going down for the time being. Hedera support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend could change in a big way. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from falling any further. Resistance is the opposite. Hedera execution. The daily graph of Hedera sort of shows that the Hbar price in real life has a particularly falling trend with a 1.2% drop, and especially a falling trend with a 1.2% drop. More than 24 hours have shown that right now all over the crypto market, there has been a very bad drop, which shows that the market is going down for the time being. The Hedera coin price has mostly stayed at 5 cents, and its market capitalization is $1.629.611.340. Which kind of shows that the total amount of money traded usually stays at $22.7 billion. $7,277,610 for their look at how Hedera trades close to 5 cents now and has a long-term barrier at 7 cents, which is very important. The price of Hbar moves by 1.6% over the course of a week, while the trading volume kind of floats around $10,526,594 USD. Hedera coin's market capitalization is $1,629,601,340 USD, which means that the total trading volume is still $22,757,277,610. This shows that the value of Hedera coin has stayed about the same at 5 cents. Hedera really does have a medium-term block at 7 cents in a kind of big way. Hedera, a price analysis bar price analysis for the 22nd of May 2023 in a particularly daily time period kind of made sense below, showing how while distributing this block the NB exchanged at 308.52 cents after a price change of 0.48 in the same time period, or so they explicitly thought. We use especially relative strength index moving pretty normal combination, and uniqueness backing levels opposition levels different time span moving, showing how Coco's BCX went down 0.77% in value and then went up to 60 cents, or so they thought. Bar's Williams percent R pointer is at 41.258 for the 14-day period, which shows a neutral condition. A exchange signal is possible at this point in a big way because the MACD line is still above the truly signal line after a very sure HYB signal. Hedera financial backers should basically wait for a change in direction. The day-to-day chart shows how Hedera backing and opposition are important technical markers used to recognize key price levels where the pattern can change. For example, the coin is generally going down as it breaks under two important support levels of 5 cents and 5 cents in an ESP, which shows that. But before we get too deep into the bar technical analysis, let's talk about the economy as a whole. The relative strength record shows that the bar coin is heading toward the overbought zone because the RSI is at 60, which shows how the 22nd of May 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to do a Hedera cost examination for now or next week, and we'll try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. What's more, we'll try to explain why Hedera is struggling and trading in a zone that's hard to explain. Crypto investors should pay close attention to the bar's move into the really certain zone, which shows how different digital currencies work. For example, Ethereum's price has gone up by 0.2% to 1813.92 over the past 24 hours. As Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, buyers are left thinking where this well-known digital asset will go next. Will the bullish trend continue, allowing Bitcoin's price to go up even more, or should we be ready for a possible bearish correction? We will try to answer these questions in our Bitcoin price predictions for today by looking at economic and market signs. As the US talks about raising its debt limit, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, putting it over the $28,000 mark. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green. This could mean that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until after Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden made a preliminary deal to raise the huge $32.4 trillion debt ceiling. This deal, which was reached after 4 days of 90-minute phone conversations, is not yet set in stone. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from defaulting. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been wasting time and turning down talks for several months. In the next 2 years, the deal caps how much the U.S. government